Hello, so today, welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. So today we are going to make Among Us characters from clay modeling like this. You see its legs are quite ugly, but okay, it's just okay. Here it's bag, oxygen bag, and these it's what do I say? Yep, lens through which it can see. So let's get started. So now these are its legs I have separated. Now we are gonna make yellow one. Quite ugly because it's quite dark. It's quite dark. Why this hair is green and red? Oh, I have made this. I have made this soft by continuously doing it like this. And it is now soft. It was come hard in the packet, but it is soft. Okay, now this is its body. Wait, I forgot something. I have to separate a bag part of it. A small part, not too big, not too small. Okay, this one here. And yeah, don't mind the book. I have just kept this my art book so that the clay doesn't get dirty when I keep it on floor. So here it's bag. Okay, this blue sphere is for this lens here. Okay, so let's get started. I have already said too many times. You have to make this one a bit like a cuboid, but rounded on its head. See, I have made this a bit cuboid and rounded on upper side. Okay, so you have to make like this. I will make it now, but so I have made this. Okay, it's a bit inside. Okay, nothing matters. I will then use lens, then it would be hidden. Okay, so now it's made like this. Now we have to just make this legs a bit like a cube. Okay, I'm pausing. I'm using pause in this video to make cube. If you can also try it on your own. Okay, so I have made the cubes cube like of these legs. I've also shaped its bag. Okay, now I'm gonna take out its lens. Okay, so I took out its lens a bit. I think I should make it a bit smaller. So I'm giving this back. No, not whole one. A bit. Okay. So I have to now shape this lens. Wait. Okay, now so I have changed my camera position so that it's better to see and easier for me to work. Okay, I have to make a lens. I have to continue. Pause the video now to try it yourself, or let the video go to see how to make this. No, I have to make a bit cuboid, make it thin. Okay, so now it's done. Here, this is done. Now I am going to stick this here. Now I have to make it a bit smaller, a bit more small. Okay, now I have to remake it brown. Okay, so it's done. It's done. Now I'm gonna stick this. Okay, I have to stick this. It is very thick. I have to again take out almost half of it, and again we make. You have to make this much smaller, and it should be. Sorry. Then, okay, so our lens is I have made this lens. See, if you can see, you will see. Okay, now I will stick this now. Boy, it's too upside. Okay, now it's done. Okay, its lens is done. Now its bag's done. Now its bag is done. Now its legs. I have not done it all. I have to take out this a bit for the legs. The legs are too small. Hey, boys, guys, don't mind the disturbance in the background. So, a bit noisy. Okay, so I have to remake this as a cube. I did not knew this would happen, that the legs would be too small. Okay, this is done. Now this. Remember, you have to first watch this video and then make. Don't make it. Say, if you are watching this video for the first time, please don't take a clay with me. You have saw that I have made some mistakes, so that's why. Then you had to work a bit harder, a bit more. I have to take out more and a bit more. Okay, now boy, yeah, bit ugly. Okay, don't mind it. Okay, so it's done. Sorry for the background disturbance. Okay, so I have done this. Nah, not done it at all. Sorry, I have not done this. I have to make these legs. I have to take out a bit more of it so that the legs become not too large but a bit big. Boy, it's quite ugly. Okay, don't mind if you. It seems to be ugly. I have to take out this lens. We make it. We take out all the parts again and remake. Boy, sorry, but I have to do this. Okay, if you made this perfect, you could make more. I dropped to this step. Again, that make a cube of this body. Nice. I'm making. Okay. So, oops, sorry. Okay, so now I have done this one a bit, and and I have done this after too much time. Yeah, but it's thinner than this brown one. Both are seems to be good. Both seems to be good. Sorry if this is a bit ugly. Wait a minute. I have to clean the camera. Okay, now it's done. You can also make this from blue and from green. I shall make more. See, now I have made two more, green and blue. Well, this one is completely blue. Never mind. This is brown and this is yellow. I made them. These are completed now. Okay, so if you like my clay modeling, then like this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and feel free to share my videos to anyone. Doing this, you are helping my channel to grow. Okay, because this is a newly made channel. This is Creative Mania channel, and bye bye.